Today, ang trip natin ay...
Tambay!
Hi, today nandito tayo sa Kilini Samoa branch. It's our first time here. So, Singaporean coffee shop to. And yun, pinakita ko sa inyo kanina yung in-order namin is yung group meals nila which cost 1,590 something. And yung binayaran namin is 1,600 plus including the service charge. And yun, payasi order sila dito kaya alam na namin yung bill namin bago pa i-serve yung food. For our food, we have, ano nga ulit to, baby? Spam fried rice. We actually have 2 plates of it. Pero this one loves stir-fried bok choy. Right? And this one is what? Beef. Basta beef. Ano? Strip? Black pepper beef. This one is, sweet and sour fish. And we also have... parang seafood noodles. And then for our drinks, we have this parang lemonade. Actually, dapat ang kasama nito is yung parang winter melon. Kaya lang hindi available. So, ito yung in-offer nila sa amin. Okay, so try na natin yung food. Unahin natin love yung yung fried rice. Come on. Go. For me, nothing special with the spam fried rice. Pero for, kid-friendly siya na food. So, I'll rate this one 7 over 10. Baby, you.
Masarap yung lasa. Hindi walang arte. Typical na fried rice. Rating ko is 10 over 10. Masarap siya. Masarap.
Ayan, now let's try the black pepper. Nakakaloka naman yung sound nila, ang lakas na hindi ko marinig yung sarili ko, girl. Sorry sa talentahin to, hindi ako nagrereklamo doon sa cafe, okay? Talagang hindi na lang ako sa may ingay na Okay. I like this one. I'll rate that one 8 over 10. How about you, love?
8 over 10. Masarap siya, pero typical na beef na may breading. Pero inaasahan ko medyo ma-sauce dapat siya Pero okay naman.
This one naman is fish. Sweet and sour fish. I like this one. 9 over 10 for me. I like this. Yun lang.
10 over 10. Lasang sweet and sour fish. Hindi komplikado. Masarap, malinamnam. Typical na sweet and sour fish.
Kasi baka magkaroon sila ng misconception sa typical Kasi ibig sabihin namin doon is yung ano ba yung expectation mong lasa ng sweet and sour. Pero masarap siya. Yan. At mataas yung rating natin. Next natin, baby, bok choy. Let's try the stir-fried bok choy. I like this one too. And because it's vegetable, medyo may bias ako sa veggies kasi. So, I'll rate this one 9 over 10. You know what I noticed sa mga food nila? Hindi super malasa. Which is, ewan ko pag siguro 30 or 40 ka na, mas hinahanap mo yung hindi super malasang food kasi parang feeling mo, parang wala siyang, sobrang daming, tawag doon yun nga, parang wala siyang masyadong betchin. Yun yung parang thinking ko. And for our last dish, we have basta yung noodles siya, seafood noodles na lang. Okay, darling? Alam nyo, ulitin ko, what I like about the food, hindi siya super malasa, which is yun yung gusto ko. This one I'll rate again 9 over 10. You, Habi?
9 over 10. Parang lahat ng food, ginisa lang. Walang mga magic sarap, betchin o kung ano man.
For the last part, ito yung dessert. Pinaserve natin siya ng huli kasi baka matunaw yung sundae. And ang nga ulit itong sundae na to, my love? Kaya sundae. And ata nila to? Parang Singaporean something na sundae. And meron siya kasamang parang bread sa ibabaw. Ang cute naman. I don't think it's garlic bread, but let's try. Yung sundae muna. Okay. So ako personally, ihahalin tulad ko to sa parang makapuno ice cream natin. Yun yung lasa ko sa kanya. Masarap siya. So I would rate this dessert. And the ice cream is, yung pinaka-ice cream niya, hindi ganun katamis. And even the coconut, hindi siya matamis. For this one, I would rate 9 over 10. Bucks.
Tapos parang Pinoy style, tinapay at ice cream. So yun, 9 over 10.
So that's pretty much it. And thank you sa pagsama sa amin. And until our next food trip. Bye-bye!
Ah.
Bye-bye!